Remove post on OfferUp. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove post on OfferUp. So let's get started. First, open the OfferUp app. Launch the OfferUp app on your device. 2. Second, navigate to your listings. Look for a tab or option in the app's interface that allows you to access your listings or posts. This is usually located in the bottom navigation menu or within your profile settings. Number 3. Find the post you want to remove. Scroll through your listings to find the post you want to remove. Number 4. Access post option. Once you have located the post, there should be an option to manage or edit the post. This is typically represented by the 3 dots just like this, or an edit button next to the post. Number 5. Select remove or delete. Tap on the option to remove or delete the post. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Number 6. Confirm removal. If prompted, confirm that you want to remove the post. This action is usually irreversible, so make sure you are certain about deleting the post. Verify post removal. Once the post is removed, verify that it's no longer visible in your listings or on the OfferUp platform. That's all. That's how you can remove post on OfferUp.